Welcome back to Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into a machine that's as bold as it is capable, the 2026 Toyota Tundra. Toyota's full-size pickup has always had a reputation for reliability, but now it's coming for the crown with fresh tech, a more aggressive look, and some serious power under the hood. Just look at it, the 2026 Tundra wears a more chiseled front fascia, with a wider grille that means business. New LED headlights with sharp daytime running lights give it a high-tech scowl, and depending on the trim, you'll see different grille finishes, blacked-out accents, or even color-matched bumpers that add a touch of flair. This isn't just about looking tough, it's smarter, too. Active grille shutters and aerodynamic side mirrors help improve fuel economy and reduce wind noise, making the Tundra feel smoother on the road. Down the sides, you'll notice those large alloy wheels, ranging from 18 inches to 22 on the higher trims. Flared fenders give it a muscular stance, and the sculpted body lines keep it looking modern and ready for action. Around back, the tailgate is now hands-free, with a quick kick under the bumper to open or close it. The composite bed is resistant to dents and rust, and you'll find LED lighting, multiple tie-downs, and even a built-in 120-volt power outlet for your tools or tailgate gear. Hop inside, and it's clear this truck wasn't just designed for hauling, it's built for comfort. The dash is clean and horizontal, with a massive 14-inch touchscreen front and center. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless, of course, and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster gives you all the data you need. There are USB-C ports all over, a wireless charging pad, and higher trims get premium leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, open-pore wood, and even massaging front seats. The capstone trim takes it to near luxury levels, while the TRD Pro keeps things rugged with rubberized floors and tough materials. Under the hood, you've got options. The standard engine is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. But if you want real power, the iForce Max hybrid pairs that same V6 with an electric motor, delivering a total of 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet. That's enough torque to tow up to 12,000 pounds with ease. Payload capacity hits nearly 2,000 pounds, and thanks to the hybrid system, fuel economy gets a serious boost, up to 22 miles per gallon city and 27 highway. Not bad for a full-size truck. And this thing isn't just for pavement. The TRD Pro trim is built for off-roading with Fox internal bypass shocks, a front lift, all-terrain tires, reinforced skid plates, and an off-road camera system that helps you see exactly what's beneath you. There's even a new Trailhunter trim coming, focused on overlanding. Think lifted suspension, integrated recovery points, roof rails, and pre-wired connections for gear-like winches and light bars. It's an adventure rig straight from the factory. Towing has never been easier. Trailer backup assist, extended blind spot monitoring that accounts for your trailer length, air suspension to keep everything level, and even wireless camera support so you can see behind your trailer right on the main screen. It's all there. Toyota wants you to tow smarter, not harder. Safety is another highlight. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is standard, with adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, road sign recognition, and more. Upper trims add a 360-degree camera system, rear cross-traffic alert, and a new intersection assist system to help avoid those tricky left turns across traffic. This 2026 Tundra is more than a refresh, it's a bold evolution. It's smarter, stronger, more efficient, and more capable than ever. Whether you need a rugged workhorse, a luxury family hauler, or an off-road monster, Toyota's got a Tundra for you. Prices start around $40,000, and depending on the trim and features, they can stretch north of $70,000. But for what you're getting, it's worth every dollar. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Toyota Tundra. Drop us a comment. Are you going for the hybrid power, the off-road beast, or the tech-packed luxury? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next ride. Thanks for watching Dream Cars, where the journey begins with the machine.